What's up, y'all? So we are back with another video. Finally. I'm so excited. Okay, so anyways, we're actually doing a mukbang.
Yes,
A mukbang, our first
one.
mukbang. We're eating delicious chicken. Let me show y'all my food. I don't know if y'all can see it or not, but anyway, so we're finally back, and today we're gonna be eating, obviously, and then we're gonna be telling y'all, like, why we haven't been posting and stuff like that. What's been going on really with us?
Basically, we're just gonna be doing a lot of talking.
Yeah. So
And eating.
and be prepared.
So we're just gonna start off by saying, really, the main reason why we haven't been posting is because of school. Like, school just started back up, so we've been busy, and I have a full schedule.
Yeah.
So,
We work and go to school. So, we basically just gotta make a schedule to where we can make sure, everything is getting handled. Because, we got priorities. So, yeah.
and school is a priority, so I mean, everything we do is a priority, but
That's why.
school is important.
By the way, I did not want to eat outside. But
We needed a different scenery.
because people always complaining about, like, we be in the house a lot. We really don't. But, never mind, I'm done talking. Oh, move! Oh, make me mad. For real, bro. Like, get away from my food.
But yeah, we really just been having a lot going on. Like, we've been having like family events and school, work, and baby, college. You start school the first day, you already got a 10-page essay.
Bruh, I'm gonna get mad. Also, bro, Sierra.
Nah, bro, come on. There, bro.
It's like 3 of them. Also, I had got my wisdom teeth taken out, so
The whole time we're gonna be swatting flies.
that's so. Anyways, I had got my wisdom teeth taken out, so like I had to heal properly first before I could just put this face on camera because yeah.
Yeah, she didn't even look bad. She was just in a lot of pain.
And I look bad.
So
Don't do that. You supposed to react. If y'all don't know what we're eating some buffalo chicken, buffalo
I don't know what they call
ranch chicken fries. But that's how I feel a while ago. Look, if you go buck at the fly. Nah, for real though, like I'm gonna go in the house. I'm gonna be real with y'all, cause yeah, these braids all on my face and shit.
Bro, we're gonna do a whole review on this food. Bro, this meal right here.
I'm gonna be real. This is the best thing Bush's ever created.
Nah, for
Oops, I spit.
It's
They be having salads and stuff. Me.
it's fries at the bottom. Then got some buffalo,
Boneless chicken, like, put it up.
and then they got some ranch on the top. Well, I created a whole meal.
And then she eat hers with ketchup.
I eat my fries. I can't eat my fries without ketchup, bro.
Girl, we got a whole floss water out here. That's why I'm coming in the backyard.
Bro,
Move! I we ain't got this to talk about. Hold up, y'all. I'm a little thirsty.
that's a crap.
I honestly feel like we need some video ideas. Because it's really hard. Okay, so we're beginners for one. So we have to come up with video ideas, which I'm pretty sure. Move! It's not funny. Which I'm pretty sure, everybody does. But we have to come up with video ideas, and it's kind of hard. It's kind of hard coming up with something new, like original. So that's another thing that we be having problems with. So, if y'all have any ideas, feel free to.
Just let us know, bro. It was in the comment section.
Anyway, no. Bro, you gotta stop
Bro,
it.
you funny.
I be talking low so they can't hear me and then you react.
Bro,
So
talk loud so they hear you.
we ain't gonna have no comments. That's not funny though. I mean, you know.
It don't matter.
Yeah.
So we're still gonna keep posting. We like to see us on the internet.
Bro, to be honest, we really have a lot of supporters.
We really do.
It may not seem like it. I'm sorry. Bro, move. Who's talking to?
These flaws.
But serious, man, bro.
But what you call it? We really do have a lot of supporters, and I really love all of y'all. It make us feel so good.
It make us want to keep going.
Yeah.
Like it make us want to keep posting.
It's really fun, y'all. Like at first, I was like, you know, we're gonna start a YouTube channel because I need some money. I'm broke, but I really like doing it. For real, like.
Nah, for real, like we was like, bro, we need to come up with some money, bro. We need something like.
But I really like doing it. It's really fun.
Yeah,
like,
I love it.
Just recording yourself.
And like people think we so funny, and it's like we be being
Ourselves.
dead serious.
Yeah.
Like this right here, this my
Right
swag.
It's my swag. But you know, for real, this really how we really act.
Yeah.
So I mean, if you think we're being fake, oh well.
Sorry. See ya. You can go.
Damn.
Cause you know we really doing good.
We really are.
Life's good. Our YouTube channel is good. School's good.
School alright.
Yeah.
I'm tired of school already. But this is good,
I didn't even notice my mama just be doing stuff. Cause I didn't even know we had all that right there. It's a whole frog. Are those fly catchers?
No. Them is them things that make noises.
Also, we do want to do like basically like advice videos.
Yeah.
We do want to do that as well.
Make this something regular. Like,
Yeah.
Like something weekly.
Like once a week or something.
Cause I
Like
giving
different
people
scenarios. I love giving people advice.
Yeah.
I just start taking my own though.
For real. But
That's
like
sad.
people always come to us for advice. Like for real. And you know, I don't mind. You know, I be having my own friends. No, I'm playing.
Say it loud. Look,
I be having my own problems
to worry about.
But
you know,
I don't mind. I love helping people that I love. Well,
yeah,
I just like helping people, period.
yeah.
As long as they grateful.
I'm sure fool.
Yeah.
You know.
I need some more ketchup.
Have you just tried it without ketchup ever?
Yeah, but I be eating something without ketchup.
Ketchup not even good with this.
Ketchup goes with everything. I don't know, starting a room. Yeah, I gotta pay me like that.
I don't know. Y'all. Man, it might hurt getting in my face, I know, bro. Don't say nothing about it. I'm tired of it. They ain't bothering me no more. You look angry. Well,
I'm gonna catch y'all in another video because I ain't even with the shit right now. My nose running.
we're gonna catch them in another video. So this one over?
Nah, bro.
Bro,
How old is he now?
I wanna get on a swing? Bro,
What's so big?
this first one, yes, you know they used to be mine when I was a little girl. That first one right there, I broke it, fell flat on my face so many times.
Oh, wow.
My daddy always fixed it. But you know, it's for the kids now. We used to have a trampoline right there. That's gone. Did you know you have to have insurance on trampolines?
No, bro.
Girl, yes. I told my mom, I'm gonna buy another trampoline. She like, that's gonna make my insurance go up. A trampoline? Therefore, that's what I said. I said, we don't gotta sell them.
Ooh. Was it my phone?
I think it was.
I'm having a hard time out here.
I'm good. Gucci. Wow. I apologize.
There was that. No.
It's not funny. This stuff's kind of spicy. Right.
It is, bro.
Making it sweat a little bit.
For real.
Ugh. Move.
I'm sorry, bro.
You wouldn't even let us say nothing either. You just want to keep moving.
I'm sorry.
But them neighbors right there, they used to have a great day. I used to be so scared to come outside. I never did though. To be honest, y'all, move, bro. I'm full. Move. You know what? I got something for them, y'all. Hold up.
Get it, bro.
Oh my goodness. Wow, they were bugs. See, why you screaming? Like, whew. Anyway, so on a serious note, we do need more like video ideas and stuff like that, because we do want to post like consistently. We are actually working on a schedule. Like, you know how we can work, go to school, and then like film and post. Like,
we'll probably start filming more like on the weekends and stuff.
Yeah.
I know, bro. It's making me mad.
Why are you looking at me like you want like you want to punch me?
Cause man, this thing's getting on my nerves.
Okay. So yeah, you made me look for you. What I was gonna say.
We're gonna work on getting more content out.
Yeah, we know we said that we gonna post every day. That was before we figured out like how much work has to get put in.
What she said.
No,
this stuff do take a lot of work.
Yeah, it does take a lot of time. Cause
editing is a
B.
Yeah, it's just a B.
Just a B.
And I just, like it can take up to hours, or like sometimes if the video they're good and your content really good, you don't have to edit a lot. But then you also record a lot, so
yeah,
you gotta.
So you have to go through like on one of our videos, bro. We had like 3 hours of footage, and that was probably the hardest video to edit yet.
Yeah.
So, and we only have like 15 minutes. Like we only get 15 minutes of like recording time.
Yeah.
So just imagine 3 hours, and you have to cut all it down to 15 minutes.
For real.
So that's a lot of work, but that's why.
And you can have a lot of content, a lot of good content in there.
Yeah, we did. And
you have to
on
cut it all out. You don't know what to cut out. Like, it's just really hard. Yeah.
So we both go to school and stuff tomorrow, and we go at different hours. I go at night and she goes in the day. So it's kind of hard to try to record. It's really hard to record and post the same day. It'll be different if we could record like days ahead of time, or like the day before, and then like post the next day, which is what we might do. Because it just seems easier. Can she walk through here?
She showing.
Yeah. But anyway, yeah, so I just want to say I really do apologize for not uploading, because a lot of people have been asking us why we haven't. And now you know why. We just been dealing with school. We're trying to balance everything. Yeah. That's basically.
School is a full-time job.
Yeah. And work. And now YouTube. So we're just trying to do everything at once. But we have to, this is new to us, so we're learning. We're growing as we go. So yeah, that basically concludes this video for today. Right? You woke? You got anything you want to say? What do you do?
See you tomorrow.
Anyways, we love you guys. We'll see you guys in our next video.
I'll holla at you. Bye.
It's another one. I got that juice. New AP. She got that juice. She got that squeeze. She got that wet. I'm on them skis. I got that